One, re-ask it.
So how do you go into the weekend without wrecking everything you've done all week? So I worked out all week. I was completely 100% clean with my eating, and now I want to eat Reese eggs and anything else that's bad.
Okay. So one, you want to look at like pretty much how much you might not have eaten enough this last week. So what you want to look at is number one, looking at the habit aspect. So adding a little bit more of what you ate, okay? Because it shows it's too much of a deficit, all right? If you can't control it in a sense. The second part of it is um, stress level. So are you doing things to stop your stress level, mitigate some of that stress that's making you release that cortisol level, which makes you want to eat more so that you can bring the cortisol level down. And then the third aspect is eating more food on the weekends that is healthier. Allowing like one time during the week to have your cheat meal and be good with it. So whatever you're craving, you just go for it and knock it out, and then you're back to normal behavior. So you want to keep it as routine as possible instead of just saying, well, I'm not going to eat anything. You want to kind of look and see, why am I this hungry? And those are the three ways. Typically is stress level, I underate too much, and then pretty much just like I have a craving because X, Y, and Z. It could be anything. It could just be like you saw a bunch of, this time of year is Reese's Easter eggs. So that's what triggers it, you know? So the third part would be the trigger.
Well, they're good. That's the problem.
Yeah. So that's how you deal with it, and how to work on it is allow yourself that cheat, but also look and see why you came to that point, and then you can go from there.